Nah, 100 kilometers.
You have to go. Hoppa! I got hit. Wait, right and right again? It was left and then right.
Tunnel.
Okay, you tried?
Yeah, but very little drive.
Yeah, go, Gustav.
Yeah. I just got around. Give space, guys. Watch out.
Bro, that BMW is just fucking...
I could imagine it. None of them gave space.
So...
Yeah, I have that crazy BMW M5 behind me. Bro, just straight up. For fuck's sake! For what are you fucking overtaking? Dumb bitch!
Overtake, guys.
Should we overtake?
Yeah. Me.
Okay, guys.
Lian, let you go.
What are people doing?
I got rammed.
So, I overtake.
Sorry. Someone
my game broke. I crashed. Oh fuck, I did crash. Oh no!
Bye R8. Bye bye.
Oh no! Guys, I hate my PC. Gustav, tell me you recorded this.
Where?
When I fucking crashed. I just went flying with this car.
I didn't see you.
Ah, damn it. I think I went next to the bridge.
I got hit and I'm the last one. You.
I'm just going to spectate. I'm just going to spectate someone.
Should we wait for the exit or after the exit of the highway?
Bro, but Gustav, that M3, his nickname is Sad. He's dumb.
Gustav, you can overtake if you want.
Oh, it's fine, it's fine. Are you leading? No?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah guys, I think I'm gonna end it for today, you know?
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Have a
thanks
great
for the
day.
game guys. Yeah, you
See
too.
ya.
Yeah.
See ya.
See you. I don't want to be with the idiots, guys. I've tried to overtake him.
So is the speed okay? Gustav?
Maybe a bit too fast in these corners. 60 is fine.
I just did an entire lap. I can't
okay.
find the damn highway.
Nah, 100 kilometers.
You have to go from pits to left, and then
yeah.
go left one more.
Yeah, but I don't think you're gonna catch up. We're like far.
No, I just did a lap around the entire map. Like, I went up the mountain, then went down the mountain, and just like took me back.
The nut stuff. No, that's in.
Yeah,
sorry.
definitely not gonna
That T63 got tired.
Which one got
What
tired?
is he doing?
Sound check! Hoppa! I got hit. Don't hit me, don't hit me. Oh, the M3 is overtaking everyone.
Damn, the M140 has a V8 swap engine. For me.
Yeah, for me too. Why braking, guys?
Drift corner.
Oh no, it's not a good idea with a fucking Mustang. One is coming with flashlight. Sorry. Oh no!
Are you behind us, Gustav?
Not yet.
Are you guys still on the highway?
You take me if you want.
You
No.
can go. Go.
Oh, okay.
Is there like an exit that you guys do?
There's
Or do
only
you just
one
completely
exit.
like that?
So there's only one way to go.
Don't try to drift. Mustang. No!
That Mustang
No.
sounds great.
I have the sound a little bit low because DT is speaking too low.
That's fine, it's fine.
Wow! My ears are not broken. No.
Gustav, do you live? Do you...
Huh?
What's the right pronunciation?
How far are you ahead?
I don't know, let me check the big map. Okay, crash map 1. Okay, maybe. Okay, you're behind us.
Oh man. I go straight through a building.
Okay.
Did anybody overtake you, Flo?
Yeah.
Okay.
But they are in front of us. So just drive fast and fast. Okay, some people are waiting here in front of us.
Nice.
I think you can just... Oh!
That was such a...
Nice! Let's try it.
So right
So-
now.
Right now?
Yeah.
Right? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And then right again.
Sorry. Sorry.
Sorry.
Wait, right and right again? It was left and then right.
Oh man,
Yeah,
just
from
drive
the
in
parking
back
lot.
of me.
Right now.
Right.
Yeah.
M3, okay, M3, you're not an origin. Oh,
Oh,
why
man, sorry,
is
sorry,
my
sorry, sorry.
car understeering like shit? So... 60-70 kmh was up. Is it okay?
Oh,
Yeah, I
fuck.
think so.
This V8 with 5 liters. Oh my gosh. Such a great car. Oh! No, sorry.
Say if it's too slow.
No, it's okay.
It's fine.
The corners.
Yeah. There's like U-turn corners almost.
And we can jump on every hill.
Yeah, there's good jumps right here.
If you want to fly, you can go with 200.
Yeah.
You can say you are a bird, and now you can say you make a conference to Tesla.
I believe I can fly.
Conference to Tesla. Fuck model Tesla S. Who can fly? RS5 can fly.
Yeah, all cars can fly. You just need the perfect driver.
Okay, I think my Clio with 72 horsepower cannot fly.
Maybe on the nice hill.
The max speed of my... so I have test 192 on Autobahn.
Oh! For 72 horsepower, it's good.
Yeah, it's 5 gang, oh my god, 5 years. I just said it in German.
Yeah,
Gang.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes. Oh man. Oh, these corners are so...
Ja,
why
vi
I'm not
har
driving
das
over fucking
8 gang automatic gearbox.
Getriebe, right.
Getriebe, genau.
Right.
Oh! But I can say, guys, driving this street with a quattro or all-wheel drive is really boring.
Yeah, but you're not driving the Megane or the Clio S with front. So you can...
Audi quattro.
Oh no! I crashed. No, okay, good. Everything's okay. Everything's fine. Hello?
Hello.
Are you going big turret? I see a bunch of people.
Yeah, we are coming
Not
back.
yet.
No, 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 no!
I think 5 minutes to my pits.
Alright.
Tunnel.
What? Neutral?
Yep.
Everyone neutral.
For the people with the manual.
Yo, Gustavkti.
Yeah.
Yo, you sent me the link, right?
Which link?
The event. Oh wait,
Wait, you are too late. I think you are too late.
I know I joined pretty late.
That's right.
But hey, we will make another round, I think. Right?
Yep.
Yeah,
Everyone.
Yo, DT, I'm gonna call you. Just help me out with this, right? DT, I'm gonna call you.
Okay.
I have to say 4 makes for such a good cars for some they are so cheap.
Yeah.
50 grand just only for a V8, man. It's not so yeah, right?
Yeah, but very little drive makes more fun.
Man, I don't see something about because of the C63.
Just slow down a bit, Flo.
Okay.
We will cut you. The C63 is behind you, Gustav, and I don't see something. Fuck, man. I just see smoke.
Oh.
Say if I can drive faster.
But he's a good drifter.
Yeah, he's a good driver. It's Tomaso, right? I think so. Yeah, I think you can go normal speed, Flo.
Okay.
I will join him to drift.
Yeah, we're just like feeling like drifting.
Nice. Now I have to find out how to drift with him.
This car makes fun.
Oh. This is
Especially I'm having full throttle after a corner and nobody is behind me after that. So I must break down to wait for the others.
And you can go a little bit. Everyone is behind you.
Okay.
Oh, no, 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 no! Oh, between the two cars, nice.
Oh!
Sorry, Gustav. If I hit you.
It's good, it's good. You did.
So, R200.
Oh, I got it!
KMH,
I got
okay.
it free. I got it
200 from here.
Yeah, it's possible. So, is that the right direction? Yeah, that's right.
Left.
Yippee! Yeah. Should we drive into pits? I would say. No? Okay.
And now I'm the last one. I can drift now. Man! Oh fuck.
Okay.
With the Mustang, it's so easy to drift, but it's so hard to keep it on the lane. And I'm trying to press clutch, but it's my handbrake. Fuck. It's a problem about the car. Fuel looks. I have to go to my pit.